If you're looking to permanently deactivate a NotebookLM Workspace profile, it's important to understand that NotebookLM does not currently provide a dedicated Deactivate profile button similar to many social media or productivity platforms. Instead, NotebookLM is tied directly to your Google account. This means your notebooks, uploaded sources, notes, and generated content are associated with that Google account rather than a separate NotebookLM profile. To begin, open NotebookLM and review any notebooks you want to keep. If there is important research, notes, or generated content, consider exporting or saving that information before making changes. Next, delete any notebooks you no longer need. When a notebook is deleted, its associated sources, notes, and generated content are removed from the active NotebookLM system. Because notebook deletion is intended to be permanent, it is a good idea to double-check before removing anything important. If your goal is simply to stop using NotebookLM, removing your notebooks and sources may be enough. However, if you want to remove access entirely, you'll need to manage that through your Google account settings rather than within NotebookLM itself. For users on a work or school account, NotebookLM access may be controlled by a Google Workspace administrator. In those cases, access can be disabled at the organizational level through Google Workspace administration settings. The key thing to remember is that NotebookLM currently does not have a standalone Workspace profile deactivation feature. Your data is connected to your Google account, and notebook management or account level settings are the primary ways to stop using the service. And that's how you permanently deactivate a NotebookLM Workspace profile, or more accurately, how you remove your NotebookLM content and stop using the service through your Google account.